We're going on a big train ride today. Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. It is 9 in the morning. I've been up since 5:30. Last night, at around 11 p.m., I decided I was gonna go with my friend, take the train from LA on Amtrak and go to Seattle. For what reason? I have none. The train ride is 31 hours long. I was definitely persuaded by the YouTube videos I saw of like the ride, because you go through obviously all of California, all of Oregon, all of Washington, and I've never been to the Pacific Northwest, so I just thought what better way to see the West Coast than through a train ride. So I've brought books, I've brought journals, I've brought my watercolors, like I will be occupied. And then I woke up at 5:30 to come drive to LA to pick up my friend Alina, who I go with to, it seems like on every vlog now, but yeah, I'm picking her up and she lives in Studio City. I've stopped for a Yeasty Boys bagel, which I'm bringing on to the train because I'm so hungry. And I also got an Alfred matcha latte because you got to do it. I am so hungry this morning. So this is the Amtrak Superliner and we're here in San Luis Obispo for about 15 minutes to stretch our legs. We've already been on the road. Let's see, it's 3 o'clock almost. So we've been on the train since 10. I think these are the sleeper cars, like if you have a room. And then that's the dining car, business class, and then the observation room in the middle, and then at the very end is like coach class. I think actually there's that front one might be for the crew, but I have to look at the map again. It's been pretty cute the past few hours. We've kind of seat jumped here and there and had lunch where it was like they had like a rose on the table and I just had a Caesar salad, just really simple but very cute. And it's a 31-hour trip, so I mean for the first 5 hours not so bad. I might change my mind soon, but we, you know, who's to say? Who's to say? Overall though, super cute and fun and really nice to see like the rolling hills of California when you're not in traffic. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm making friends. I sat next to somebody who's from Canada. We just started talking and yeah, it's been very friendly. Obviously you're all stuck together, so it's like you might as well make friends since you're gonna be sat next to somebody you might not know. Restroom selfie. Looks like a plain bathroom, I guess. You know. I guess. Second here.
Washington in Portland, Oregon. And when they opened the Kaiser shipyards to build all these Liberty and Victory ships during World War II, they needed a place for the workers. They had this land here, so they built this town here. And it was only in existence for a few short years because they had a massive flood in the late 40s. and it wiped out the town in 45 minutes.
Hi, good morning from Seattle. We are headed to the Mariners game. Yeah! This morning we walked around Pike's Place Market, or just like walked in front of it really. And yeah, we're gonna get on a light rail and head over. Gorgeous. We're going to the park. This is also where Amtrak pulls right in. So we got dropped off here last night. Yeah. My bag was way too large for me to bring inside the stadium, so I had to leave it outside. So I don't have my usual gear for when it's pouring. I'm gonna use my nachos hat instead to protect brother. Okay. Yep. Let's see, Alina. Fernet on the rocks, is that you?
And ginger ale.
Oh, and ginger ale. Okay, all right. And then Bacardi and rum over there. I mean Bacardi and rum.
Bacardi and
Bacardi and Coke. Then Diet Coke. And for me, who is definitely drunk on half a glass, accidentally very drunk. Cheers to Seattle. Dude, look at these bubbles. Oh my lordy lord. Yes. Into the water. Yay! Look, we got Hubba Bubba bubble gum to practice for this very moment.
That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You come here every day.
Oh, that's
Yes, girly. Get in, sister.
I don't sleep very well. You like it or you That one's really cute. Oh, okay. I like that one. Yeah. That one too. That one's nice. Good job, Marissa.
Yeah. No, it's okay. Hey, is that fish smell you guys or me?
Can you guys throw the fish?
Is this where y'all throw the fish? It's okay. I really want this one.
I know. The extra sour scared me.
Yeah, I wonder what it's like.
I'll come back.
We got some bread. I got this one, the rosemary sea salt loaf.
Marisa, get yours. The lemon bar.
Thank you. And I also got a lemon bar.
Okay, I see the bar.
The train is arriving. Please step back to allow passengers to exit before boarding the train.
Got off the monorail and she's right here. Look at this party zone down here.
Regular. 3.
Space Needle. Oh, look how cute. Different colors. Who wants what color?
I want purple.
Purple. Do you like blue or orange?
I get the blue.
Okay, perfect. Perfecto. Thank you.
Oh, está bien. Hubiésemos estado bien amontonados. Mommy,
Get a little corner. Hi.
Oh my god. Oh, I was like, how's it looking down?
And then remember.
Sorry.
Reach our 520
Are you recording?
just 41 seconds. To your right, you will see Lake Union, which has 500 permanent floating homes, as well as a large fleet of seaplanes that service the San Juan Islands. To the right of Lake Union, past the University of Washington Husky Stadium, is Lake Washington, and that's where Bill Gates lives. At the top, the Space Needle sways approximately 1 inch for every 10-mile-per-hour wind. But no need to worry, it was built to withstand winds up to 150 miles per hour. As it reaches the top, please do not miss the revolving crosswalk.
The floor is moving. We have stopped by the Circle of Indigenous Peoples celebration right outside the Space Needle. Looks like a lot of cultural celebration and remembrance and festivities. Oh my. Cool.
Okay, we're going to ask our veterans to please stand by. Protocol will dictate that we give you an honor song. And if you're able to do so, Joby will probably take you around.
Dude, I haven't been in one of these since I was in like elementary school. Each line represents a vector in the universe and how it's all like connected but disconnected from whatever you perceive it to be. And I was like, okay.